Hey, good morning guys. Today is the day. We are up early and we are heading to go get our 3 nucs of bees. Brand new honeybees for the year, our first bees ever. We got to drive. We got about an hour and a half drive one way, so we got to get a head start. They are giving away bees. Well, they're not giving them away. They are open today from 8 to noon, so we are up. We're getting on the road, and we're going to take you guys with us. We're going to hopefully get there and show you guys the process, the place. It is raining a little bit, so I don't know if they'll necessarily have bees out, but we'll take you there and we'll show you what we can show you. We're gonna load them up. Shelby's really nervous about the bees, driving with them in the car. She's afraid that they might get out, and I don't know what kind of containers they're in. So, fun day. We'll go check in with Shelby here in a little bit, jump in the car, and then see what the kids think about all of it. So, stick around. Let's go get some bees. Tell them?
I'm not telling them. I'm too scared.
They want to know. They want to know what you're thinking. I let them know you're nervous about putting bees in the car.
Yeah, well, I've grown up like if you're driving and there's a bee in your car, you freak out and crash your car and die. And like now we're just gonna go put like what 300 bees?
No. You're talking like thousands of bees.
Oh, good.
Thousands of bees.
Yeah, we're just gonna go grab them and put them in our car and drive with our most precious cargo on board. And
I don't know how many bees are in a nuc, but I think it's somewhere around like 10,000. I could be wrong, but it's over 1,000. There's gonna be over 3,000 bees in this car here.
So excited. It's a lot. I'm kind of nervous, to say the least. I'm excited to have the bees, not excited for the commute. Definitely tried to get out of it this morning, but Chad threatened me that he wouldn't show up for the birth of our child if I don't go. So
are you guys excited about bees?
Yeah.
Are you guys nervous about the bees in the car?
No. Cali. I think everything's gonna be okay. Talking and kind of figuring out what that looks like made me feel a little bit more comfortable with it. Hopefully once I see the arrangement and they're in the car, I'll feel even more comfortable about it. Otherwise, Chad's gonna have to make 2 trips up here because we're gonna stay at the bee place and he's gonna have to drive the bees home.
Come back and get you?
Yeah.
I got stuff to do, so we're making it home in one trip.
I'm just a mama bear and I got my babies in the car. I don't want anything to happen.
So we're 8 minutes out, guys. We are in, I think we're coming through Deer Park, Washington right now. We're headed up to Clayton, Washington. But we'll be there in a little bit, and we will show you guys the operation when we get there, as much of it as we can. Alright guys, well, the bees are on board. The place was extremely busy. I was hoping to be able to kind of sit and talk, maybe get a tour of the place. But they basically do the bees on one day, and there were tons of people coming, going, paying for their stuff, grabbing them and going. So it was a pretty quick little deal. We didn't get any footage while we were there. What do you do?
So the bees are in the car. I feel a lot better about it. The guy that helped us was extremely nice. I told him I was worried. He found 3 boxes that didn't have bees flying around it. So we were able to get the bees in the car and no solo flyers. So
no solo flyers.
We're doing good. We did bring a knitted blanket to put over them, so I feel pretty confident that we won't have any flyers in the car. So
yeah, and he did say it was fine putting it on. They're not going to overheat. We're like, what are we in, like the 50s?
Yeah, 50s.
They won't overheat, and they're going to get plenty of air. Shelby was really nervous, but the boxes are pretty sturdy little boxes.
They are, yeah. And now that he talked about it, I'm super excited to see the whole process. What do you say? We just take the tape off the bee, and then off the queen, and then the bees will eat the candy around that she's in, which
So
cool.
And we'll show you guys that process. Depending on who you go to, sometimes you'll get a nuke where the queen is just in there existing. All of ours are caged queens, so we've got 3 caged queens. But you guys are going to see all that here in a little bit once we get home and install them.
Yeah, so we're excited. We've got our bees. I think they're contained. So it's not going to be too bad of a car ride home.
Red one. These boxes that we got, they're gonna have 5 frames in them.
Yeah.
So we only need 5 frames per box because we've got 10 frame boxes. So what we're going to do is stick 5 in here, and we're going to wind up sticking these guys in the middle of the hive like that. So cows, you can pull 5 out of that last one and take it back inside.
How come we can't fit?
What?
How come we can't fit?
Because there's 5 in there already, so we're taking 5 and adding 5.
Oh.
So it'll be a full hive. And then these little divider donkeys here. These will go on the top like that. Should have painted those. And then the lid goes on like that. And then you got yourself a hive.
Where do bees get in and out?
They go in the front. Right there.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, baby girl.
How come we didn't paint that side?
What?
This side right there, back there. How come we didn't paint that side?
Where?
What?
Where?
Right here. How come we didn't paint the back?
You guys just didn't paint it. Yeah,
Can you flip this around so then my front is going on the front end?
I will when we put that on. We won't put those on until we feed them.
Okay.
And we probably won't feed them till tomorrow. So let's actually take those back in. So take that one in. Deegan, take this one in.
Oh, what? We're not going to release them?
Take this one in.
Okay, we're not releasing
No,
them.
we are. We're just not doing it right now.
Oh, that one's trying to feed me.